Welcome to Healthy Horizons. We share the best tips on eating smart and living strong, with expert advice and practical health insights. Subscribe now and start your journey to better health. The incredible health benefits of green tea. Green tea has been known for its health benefits for centuries. And now we know the science behind it. One of the key ingredients in green tea is called catechin, a powerful antioxidant. This antioxidant helps protect our bodies from harmful substances, called free radicals, which can cause aging and lead to diseases like cancer and heart problems. By drinking green tea, you can reduce the damage caused by these free radicals, helping to keep your body younger and healthier. Green tea can also help with weight loss. It contains caffeine and catechin, which work together to boost your metabolism and burn fat. Drinking green tea before exercise can increase the amount of fat your body burns, making it a great companion for your fitness routine. How green tea can transform your daily life. Making green tea a daily habit has amazing benefits for your skin too. Catechins and vitamin in green tea work to prevent dark spots and wrinkles, while also helping your skin stay firm and youthful. By reducing oxidative stress, green tea helps slow down the aging process and keeps your skin looking fresh and radiant. On top of that, green tea can strengthen your immune system. It contains a compound called theanine, which helps you relax and reduces stress. And when your stress levels go down, your immune system works better. Drinking green tea every day can protect you from colds, flu, and even more serious illnesses by fighting off harmful viruses and bacteria. The secret to brewing delicious and healthy green tea. The way you brew green tea can greatly impact its flavor and health benefits. If you use hotter water, around 8,009 to 175,195, you'll get a stronger taste with more caffeine and catechins, which are perfect for boosting metabolism and burning fat. But if you prefer a milder, sweeter taste, use water around 6,007 to 140,160, which brings out more of the tea's natural sweetness. And don't worry if you're in a hurry, there are easy ways to enjoy green tea. You can try cold brewing green tea by letting tea leaves sit in cold water overnight in the fridge. This method gives you a refreshing, less caffeinated drink that's perfect for hot days. You can also use tea bags for a quick and convenient option, which can be just as tasty when prepared right. Why homemade green tea is better than bottled. While bottled green tea is convenient, it's not as nutritious as homemade. Bottled tea is often processed, which means many of its health benefits, like antioxidants and vitamins, are lost during production. When you brew your own tea, you're getting the full benefits of catechins and vitamin C, and you can enjoy the fresher, richer taste of homemade green tea. It's easy to carry your own freshly brewed tea with you too. A reusable bottle with a built-in tea drainer allows you to enjoy fresh tea on the go. It's a great way to stay hydrated, save money, and reduce waste from single-use plastic bottles. How to easily make green tea part of your daily routine. Even on busy mornings, you can easily fit green tea into your day with a little planning. Try making cold brew green tea the night before, so you can grab it from the fridge and enjoy it right away. If you're in a rush, tea bags are a quick option. You just need hot water, and your tea will be ready in seconds. Timing matters too. Drinking green tea before meals can help your body burn fat more efficiently, while drinking it after meals helps with digestion. Aim for 3 to 4 cups a day to get the best health benefits. But remember, green tea does contain caffeine, so it's best to avoid drinking it late at night if you want a good night's sleep. The key to making green tea a regular part of your routine is finding a way that fits your lifestyle. Whether it's a refreshing cold brew in the morning, a warm cup during your lunch break, or a calming tea in the evening, there's always a perfect time for green tea. By making it a daily habit, you can enjoy its many benefits for your health, skin, and overall well-being. This version is structured for easy understanding, with a friendly tone ideal for a female narrator to guide viewers through the content. How did you like the video? At Healthy Horizons, we bring you the best tips on eating smart and living strong, with carefully curated health and wellness insights. If you enjoyed this, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss our next video. See you next time.